Hello everyone. In this video, we'll find the GCD of two numbers recursively. Let's say the two numbers are A and B. Okay. Basically, GCD of A comma B is GCD of A comma B mod A if A is smaller, and GCD of A comma B is equal to GCD of B comma A mod B if B is smaller. That means in general, GCD of the larger and smaller number is equal to GCD of smaller number you will keep as it is, and larger number you will replace by the remainder, their remainder basically. You divide larger by smaller and find the remainder. This basic property, which simplifies our matters, is due to Euclid. So this algorithm is also called as the Euclid's algorithm to find the GCD. And we continue this recursively. So we need a base case. So the base case is GCD of A comma 0 is A, or GCD of 0 comma B is B, depending on which number becomes 0 first. Okay, basically GCD of 0 and any number will be that number itself. That's the base case. Okay, now in our main method what we will do is we will make sure that A is always the smaller of the two. So if in case if A is larger than B by chance, if user enters A as the larger number, then we will swap them. Okay, so A is equal to A plus B, A is equal to A minus B, and A is equal to A minus B. This will swap the two numbers. Now, let's work on the GCD logic. So, I'll use this as my recursive case. Okay, I will change it slightly. What I will do is, okay, I will say return, yes, GCD of, now A is the smaller number, right? So, smaller number should remain as it is. To avoid confusion, I will just change the order here also because it is causing confusion. Let's say first one is the smaller, second one is larger. And first one we keep as it is, and the second one we will keep on reducing. Okay, sorry, here we will have this is the this is B mod A. Now, think about it. If I always want smaller number to be my first argument, what amongst A and B mod A will be the smaller one? The smaller one will always be the modulus, right? Because I'm dividing by smaller, so the remainder will always have to be smaller than this. So, for example, in this case, if I'm dividing by A, the remainder will always have to be less than A, right? So, therefore, it should be like this. Got it? Okay, and the base case is if A equal to 0, either one of them is 0, right? So, if A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, in that case, return, we cannot combine them. We have to keep them separate. Okay, we will have to keep them separate. So if A equal to 0, you will return the other one, that is B. And if B equal to 0, then you will return the other one, that is A. Got it? And now we will run this on some numbers. Let's take two simple numbers. Let's say 6 and 8. Okay, so GCD of 6 comma 8. First one is the smaller, second one is larger. No need to swap anything. And this is, let's dry run this first. If you dry run this, what will be the calls? So GCD of 6 comma 8, you will take the mod of the larger number with the smaller number, right? So you will say that this will result in the call GCD of 6 will be the larger number one, right? So 8 mod 6 will be 2 and 6 will remain as it is. Then in the next iteration, it's simple. You take the mod of larger number with the smaller number. So 6 mod 2. So that will be 0. So here you will be 0 and then the second will be the smaller one. Okay, got it? So when we run this, it's expecting me to enter two numbers. Let's say I enter 6 and 8. So GCD of 6 and 8 is 2, right? So GCD of 0 comma 2 is 2. So GCD of 6 comma 8 is 2. Let's take some larger numbers. Let's say 1004 and 8. Okay, we know the answer. 1004, I'm not sure whether it's a multiple of 8. 1, it's not a multiple of 8. Okay, so let's say, oh, sorry, wait a minute. Here I should have passed because I'm entering A and B as inputs, right? Got it. So if I enter 1004 and 8, the GCD is 4. Okay, I hope this was clear to you, this recursive algorithm. If you have any questions, any doubts, do post them in the comments below. We could have simplified this over here. Normally, because A is always the smaller number, as we are ensuring that we start that way, and here also we are switching it. We can say that if any argument becomes 0, then A itself is going to be 0. So this situation will actually never occur and still our program will run correctly. Okay, no matter which number you enter first. So if I enter 1004 and 8, still GCD will be 4. And if I enter, let's say, 8 and 1004, still the GCD will be 4. Okay, fine. So this was unnecessary. Okay, so I hope this was clear to you. No matter in which order you give the numbers, it will always give the answer as the same number. The GCD will be calculated correctly. That's it. If you have any doubts, do post them in the comments below.